Hey everybody, my name is Sean Barther, and today we're showcasing the Vizrt AI Studio. Now, if you know Vizrt, we do graphics all day. What we're showcasing today is going to be our AI solution, which is called Viz AI Studio. So this is going to take your Vizrt graphics and allow you to scale your production up based on wherever you want to shoot it. So if you take a look, I'm here in this environment, no special green screen, no nothing, but it's gone ahead and immersed me and taken me out of the video and dropped me into our virtual set. So as I move around, you're going to see that this is my reflections. So I get closer, that's me reflecting on the ground. And we do this all day, graphics here on a green screen, but what sets us apart is that once we have our scene rendering and going, let's go ahead and bring up our trophies to kind of show some of our extra detail with the Viz AI Studio. And let's bring these guys in. All right. So I love this graphic because what it's going to showcase is that here I'm in my virtual set. I can walk behind this graphic, and I can walk in front of this graphic because we know exactly where I'm in 3D space, and I know where the graphics are in 3D space. But now we blend them together. If we take a look at this trophy, as I move my feet, you see that that's my reflection being cast on to the trophy itself. So we're not tricking you, we're not faking it. I'm in my set casting lights and reflections. So this is a way of immersing your talent with Vizrt AI Studio. If you want to check more, check out Vizrt.com. You can see all of our great information on our Viz AI Studio. Thank you.